Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, moist and delicious orange poppy seed cake. First, you're going to put all the wet ingredients in a bowl. So orange juice in and yogurt in and oil, just a vegetable oil, not a strong one like olive oil, and marmalade, which is homemade one with very zesty touch, but you don't have to make your own, just the bought one's fine, or even apricot jam's fine too. And 2 eggs. And mix. Now the dry ingredients in: sugar, poppy seeds, and rice flour into the sifter thing, and self-rising flour. So absolutely no skills needed, just mix. And this is the butter done. And you can pour the butter into the mold, about 80% of the capacity. And I've got a little bit of leftover, and I pour this into the muffin case like that to make a smaller cakes for kids' lunch. In preheated oven of 180 degrees or 170 fan forced for about 25-30 minutes. I put the cupcake size cake as well. It shouldn't take as long, so check after 15 minutes or so. After 15 minutes, I took this cupcake size cake out of the oven and they're all cooked. And I left this main cake another 15 minutes, so a total of 30 minutes. And I'll check if it's cooked properly. So a good old skewer into the cake in the middle, and it comes out dry, so it's cooked. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.